Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preheating the Dash Mini Waffle maker so it reaches optimal cooking temperature. Once the indicator shows ready, you're set to pour. While it heats, whisk a batter that's pourable but not thin. This avoids overflow. Make sure to oil the plates sparingly to prevent sticking and excess smoke. Then scoop roughly 1/2 cup batter into the center. This quantity fills the cavity without spilling. Start now so heat and batter timing align for consistent results. Once closed, you don't press the lid. That forces batter out and yields dense waffles. Let it cook undisturbed for 2 to 4 minutes, shorter for soft, longer for crisp. Because Dash Minis vary, use a timer and note your ideal time after the first waffle. When you near the target, peek briefly to confirm golden edges and avoid steam burns. If the waffle resists when you open, give it a few seconds. This helps release cleanly without tearing. You finish by lifting the waffle with a silicone or wooden tool and placing it on a rack so air circulates. 1 to 2 minutes improves crispness. Make sure to unplug and let the unit cool before wiping plates. A damp cloth removes residue quickly. If waffles are sticking, adjust one variable at a time. Use less oil, set a slightly higher temperature next cycle, or add 30-60 seconds of cook time. That troubleshooting approach fixes most common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.